So now we will talk about the updates on Shiba Inu. Now I am in the official Twitter account of Shiba Inu. Here they have written, "Welcome to the first Valley X giveaway. We are happy to announce this great opportunity for the community. Enter to win one of the 100 whitelist spots. If you want to enter, then you need to follow Valley Friends, okay, and you need to join their Discord. I already followed Valley Friends. If you want to enter and if you want to win one of their 100 whitelist spots, then I will recommend you to follow them on Valley Friends to get more update. Also follow Shiba Inu on official Shiba Inu official Twitter account. Now let's check another update from another cryptocurrency. So don't forget to follow Shiba Inu on Twitter to get the update. So the next update is from a Star Network. What they have written: it's time to expand your knowledge with a live developer workshop. Our friend at the Red Subsquid will teach how to build on a star. If you are a developer, you don't want to miss this. Okay. So a Star Network friend at the Red Subsquid will teach how to build on a star. And if you are a developer, you don't want to miss this. The workshop is on May 13th at 11 CET. To get all the detail, so follow a Star Network and Subsquid on Twitter. Just click on Subsquid and follow them on Twitter to get the latest update. Now we will talk about another cryptocurrency. So the third update is from Polkadot. Follow Polkadot on Twitter. State of Polkadot Q1 2022 by @Misari Crypto. Polkadot developer activity remains among the strongest in crypto. After 5 years of research and development, Polkadot parachains are now live. They are telling that after 5 years of research and development, Polkadot parachains are now live. At the close of Q1 2022, 13 parachain on parachain slots. So follow Polkadot on Twitter to get more latest update regarding Polkadot. So the next update is from Ethereum. Here Ben Edgington has tweeted something and it has been retweeted by Ethereum. What it is? Follow both on Twitter. It's been a minute, friends, but ETH2.news is back and it's a May Houseship edition. So plan a nice longer coffee break over the weekend and clear out some browser tabs ready to get up speed with the latest in the run up to the merge. So these are some of the updates from Ethereum Twitter account. Tweet has been done by Ben Edgington and Ethereum has retweeted this. Now let's check another updates and follow Ethereum on Twitter. Now we will check the another update from another cryptocurrency. So another update is from Baby Doge, where Bitcoin FLG trademark has said something. Here it is TM written, okay, which is trademark like big Bitcoin FLG CEO thinks a Baby Doge coin can hit $5 billion market cap in 2022, makes bullish prediction. Now you can read this news article in bitcoinflg.com. So this is the great news again. Now we will check another cryptocurrency update. A recent tweet from Solana paid to cover Atlas Cafe SPAY to showcase the future of payment. Watch Serach 3 demo a brand new Solana Pay feature transaction request which enable merchant to bring on-chain interactivity to their purchase follows. So one more recent tweet from Solana that Solana paid to cover Atlas Cafe SPAY to showcase the future of payment. So it's regarding the payment, and if you want you can watch this video and also follow Serach City and Solana on Twitter. So now we will check another cryptocurrency update. So another update is from Ripple XRP crypto and the interoperability it enables. Crypto and the interoperability it enables can be a critical resource for a country across the LATAM region to become more financially inclusive and independent, as well as attractive to outside investment and inclusive. So it is regarding it's regarding some financial news. Okay, so follow Ripple on Twitter also. Now let's check another update. So now we will check another update. So the update is from BNB 5 days ago, just a few days before the BNB devaluation bounty sent. If you didn't submit your project, now your last chance. There are 28 bounties for about $400K in total. So you can participate here. Okay, and follow BNB channel on Twitter also. So these are some updates regarding cryptocurrency. Hope you like all the update and please subscribe my channel regarding cryptocurrency. One more thing, if you want to invest in any cryptocurrency, if you want to have an investment in any cryptocurrency, then it's upon you because I am not a financial advisor. Okay, I can just show you the update regarding cryptocurrency and the current price and the platform from where you can buy cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching my video related to cryptocurrency.